Whether you like to feel dirt crunch under your tires or prefer to stick to pavement, Tulare offers plenty of dedicated parks and trails for cyclists. When you take your bicycle out on the roads, though, you're at risk of devastating injuries from all the other vehicles around you. Cyclists involved in vehicular collisions often suffer from concussions, spinal injuries, bone fractures and breakages, lacerations, and organ damage. These can lead to hefty medical bills and long recovery periods. The driver responsible for your bicycle injury is also responsible for your recovery costs, but their insurance will fight to minimize any claim they can't deny. At Maison Law, we advocate for cyclists' rights to use the road safely and provide a free, no-obligation consultation and case assessment to any bicycle injury victim in Tulare. The experienced bicycle accident attorneys at Maison Law will gather evidence, interview witnesses, and build a case to win you fair compensation. So if you or someone you love has been involved in a bicycle accident in or around Tulare, call Maison Law today and let us get to work for you.